If you're tired of food sticking to your pan, uneven cooking, or replacing worn-out skillets every couple of years, you're definitely not alone. A good frying pan should make cooking easier, not more frustrating. But with so many non-stick options on the market, finding one that actually lasts can be surprisingly difficult. Today we're taking a closer look at the T-Fal Ultimate Hard Anodized 12-inch Nonstick Fry Pan with lid, a skillet designed for everyday home cooks who want reliable performance without spending premium cookware prices. From quick breakfasts to weeknight dinners and larger family meals, this pan promises even heating, durable construction, and hassle-free cleanup. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right away, the pan feels solid in your hands. The hard anodized aluminum construction gives it a noticeably sturdier feel than lightweight budget skillets, while still remaining comfortable enough to lift with one hand. The matte black finish gives it a clean, professional appearance that looks great in almost any kitchen. The included glass lid fits securely and allows you to monitor food without constantly lifting it, helping retain both heat and moisture while cooking. One of the standout design features is the comfortable riveted silicone handle. It provides a secure grip and stays comfortable during normal stovetop cooking, making it easy to move the pan from burner to countertop. The deep cooking surface is another practical benefit because it gives you extra room for larger portions, stir-fries, pasta dishes, or one-pan family meals without ingredients spilling over the sides. Performance is where this pan really earns its reputation. The titanium-reinforced non-stick coating allows foods like eggs, pancakes, fish, and vegetables to release easily with very little oil. That not only makes cooking healthier, but also saves time during cleanup. Even sticky foods are much easier to remove compared to traditional stainless steel cookware. Another feature that genuinely improves everyday cooking is T-Fal's Thermo-Spot heat indicator. As the pan preheats, the center indicator changes color to let you know when it has reached the ideal cooking temperature. It may sound like a small detail, but for beginners especially, it removes a lot of guesswork and helps achieve more consistent browning and better overall cooking results. Heat distribution is also very consistent across the cooking surface. Instead of creating obvious hot spots, the pan spreads heat evenly, making it easier to cook everything from grilled sandwiches and burgers to chicken breasts and sautéed vegetables. The hard anodized base also helps resist warping, even after repeated heating and cooling cycles. Cleaning couldn't be much simpler. Because of the high-quality nonstick coating, most residue wipes away with a soft sponge in just a few seconds. While the pan is dishwasher safe, hand washing is still the best way to maximize the lifespan of the coating. With proper care and by avoiding metal utensils, this skillet should continue performing well for years. Of course, no cookware is perfect. One limitation is that this pan isn't compatible with induction cooktops, so buyers with induction stoves should keep that in mind. Also, while it's oven safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and the lid up to 350 degrees, it's not designed for extremely high-temperature broiling or professional-style searing. Compared with similarly priced nonstick skillets from Calphalon, Cuisinart, or Ninja, the T-Fal Ultimate stands out thanks to its Thermo-Spot technology, durable hard anodized construction, dependable nonstick performance, and excellent value. It may not have the premium price tag of luxury cookware brands, but it delivers many of the same everyday cooking benefits most home cooks actually need. Overall, the T-Fal Ultimate Hard Anodized 12-inch Fry Pan is an excellent choice for families, beginner cooks, meal preppers, and anyone looking for a dependable everyday skillet. It combines durable construction, even heating, thoughtful design, and reliable nonstick performance into a pan that's built for daily use. If you use an induction cooktop, you'll need a different option. But for gas, electric, or ceramic stoves, this is one of the better values available in its category. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest cookware reviews every week. And if you're thinking about upgrading your everyday frying pan, check the link in the description for the latest price and availability before any current deals end. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.